Welcome to Wonderflow. Today we're going to be going over how to create a marketing flow inside of the app. To get started, I would recommend creating a brand kit. So I'm going to head over to our brand kit section. If you don't have one already, go ahead and hit the create brand kit and set one up. For this demo, we're going to be using this event stack brand kit here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on and head back. Okay, so there's a few different ways to get started creating a marketing flow. If you want, you can go ahead and set it up manually, give your flow a name, a type, an audience, select your goals, duration, and then once you're inside the blank canvas, you can actually use our AI to create flows from there, or you can set everything up manually if you want. If you don't know where to get started, I highly recommend using one of our templates. So if I head over to our flows page, there are different templates to help you get started. Great way to kick off brainstorming and trying to figure out what exactly you're going to be building. Another great way to get started if you don't know where to start is with our AI planning tool. This will kind of be more of a conversational based experience. It'll help you narrow in exactly what kind of marketing funnel that you want to build. If you do know what you want to build, then I recommend using our AI tool. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So you can see here, it's going to be using that event stack brand kit. Again, the more you can teach Wonderflow AI about your brand, about your audiences, the better outcome it's going to, or the better output it's going to provide. So another thing to note is you can tag audiences that you create in the assets audience creator here by just clicking the @ symbol and adding in your planning tool. So I'm going to go ahead and generate a prompt and get going with some AI. Okay, so I went ahead and generated a prompt for the AI. I'm going to go ahead and generate that flow and see what we get. All right, so here we are inside of the canvas. Our AI has generated us a flow for our event planner awareness for our product launch. So as you can see, we have a trigger for our awareness ad campaign. So we'll be launching that on Meta and LinkedIn. That is where that audience is tied. You can see we're sending them to a landing page. We have a lead form. If they don't fill out that lead form, it looks like we've got a retargeting ad campaign, which is great. If they do, then we're going to create a contact record and add them to our lead list, send them a welcome email. Then we have a bit of an email nurture campaign here where we start showing them retargeting ads again. Again, pretty basic here, but it's a really good starting point. We could add a lot to this. So that's how to get started with our marketing plan. I hope that was helpful, and see you in the next video.